Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we going to update about pad Thai sauce. I think we did 2 years ago, but today we update for the people who just want to make at home, and everyone can do it at home, and even not only that, can keep in the cold room or in the normal fridge for a few months. When you feel you want to do the cooking for pad Thai, then you can do it with this sauce. And the ingredient we use only a few today, more easy, it's not complicated at all. And this one, Tamarind, in the package, any brand, not only this brand. And then you squeeze it, become like this. You can get about 2 liters of tamarind salt and sliced shallot, palm sugar 500 gram, this one also 500 gram, and normal sugar 200 gram, and coconut oil for fried shallot. Okay, this one you just boil it or you soak overnight, and then you squeeze it, right? And you drain the tamarind out, and you can get the tamarind sauce like this. Okay, you can see how to squeeze tamarind from the previous video. Okay, this one we soak in the water first, make it soft about 15 minutes. Okay, we soak the 200 gram tamarind, soak with 2 liters of water until become soft, about 15 minutes, and then you squeeze the tamarind, become like this. Right, you can see the color very brown. And then you drain it with this one. And this one you throw. Okay, and then first step, we fry the shallot first, right? And then we use coconut oil. Okay, yeah, we heat this one. Yeah. You can see if it's hot. Yeah, just put in there, right? Yeah. You stir it until you can see the color change to brown, and just take it out. Yeah, we're going to cook all of this. After we done the sauce, then we put this one last we put. Okay, we take it out from the wok. Look, the oil is still very clear, yeah, very clean. You can use, and after that we use the same wok, yeah, to make pad Thai sauce. Okay, we pour this one tamarind sauce in the same wok. Now you can hide the gas this time until this one boils. Okay, this one, yeah, start to boil, and then you put the palm sugar slowly.
How much would you use in one portion of pad Thai?
One portion for one person, we use about this one. Yeah, about 3-4 tablespoons.
And then how to store this one? Can you freeze it?
No, just put in the normal fridge. And salt, 4-5 tablespoons. Yeah, I put 4 first, just in case, and then you can taste later. But this one you have to stir it until the palm sugar melt, and then leave it until you can see the salt is thick, and then you taste what taste you like. If you like more sweet, you can put the more normal sugar. That's it. I never put chili sauce or tomato sauce. This one our recipe. That's why, from what I said, everybody can make it. Even the cameraman can make it. Okay, I add one more thing. This tamarind I order from my supply, tin full supply, tin full limited. Because he said have to mention his supply.
Look at the Thai grape. It says this is a Thailand grape.
No, because the handle quite slippery, that's why. Okay, this one, now the palm sugar melt. Then just leave it, let it boil, leave it, and then lower the gas. And then leave it for, you boil it about 20 minutes or half an hour until you can see the tamarind sauce is thick. Okay, now thick enough. Yeah, you can see you pour it and thick enough. And then when it's the cool down, it's more thick. This one thicker when it's the cool down. Okay, after add the right taste, sweet, sour, and salty. Yeah, 3 tastes altogether. And last we put this one. Yeah, we put the shallot last. Yeah, now we get the pad thai sauce. This one, yeah, that's just off the gas. Yeah, just like this. Yeah. Now we're going to taste my pad thai sauce. Okay. Hey. I put tofu. We fry tofu with egg first, and then we put noodle. We fry until noodle becomes soft. This is for one person, and then we use here this amount of pad thai sauce.
Pad Thai.
Yeah, pad thai here.
Or Thai pad.
Put in here. Okay. Bean sprout and spring onion. Okay, that's it. Peanut, ground peanut, and chili powder if you like a little bit hot. Chopstick.
And the lamb.
No, I think the taste we don't need the lamb. No need to put lamb like this taste, yeah.